guests just joined us. First off, we'll start with a lady. She's Miss Gumsi Su, head of the Environment Club at Collège Adventiste de Yaoundé, here to tell us all about the Climate Action Project. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great. Happy to have you with all those warm smiles. I'm feeling really great this morning. And right next to you, we have a doctor in the house. We have Dr. Fokam Joseph of the Chantal Biya International Research Center here to tell us all about the virology workshop happening in the capital city. You're welcome.
Thank you, Patience.
How are you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine. Can we please start with the lady, if you don't mind, doctor?
Sure.
Okay, that's great. First off, the Climate Action Project. We need to know why it was so important to have something like that in the Environment Club in your school.
Okay, actually the Climate Action Project is an initiative which was initiated by Take Action Global. Okay. It's an international non-governmental organization. And this project has united 1,700,000 students and teachers from over 146 countries.
Wow. Cameroon
is not left out.
Yeah.
So this was an opportunity for students because it is a program which is more involved in the education of children, of young people, to get actively involved in creating awareness about the climate crisis.
Yeah.
So this was important for the school to participate in such a project because climate change is a reality. And we need to take that very seriously in our country.
So how did the students participate? What part of climate change did they address?
Well, for the
competition?
Yes, for the competition, we were talking about three main aspects with respect to climate change. So we were able to share and discuss our ideas with other pupils from different countries about the causes, the effects, and of course the possible solutions to climate change.
Okay.
So that is what we discussed about.
And you came out top tier, I must say. You succeeded to beat other countries in the competition. Tell us how that happened, because we're proud, we're Cameroonians.
Yes, so actually our students had to take action because it's a climate action project.
Yeah.
And so for the actions which they took, that was very much peculiar, is the fact that we planted moringa trees.
Oh.
Yes, around the school campus. And we know that deforestation is the main cause of climate change. So one of the ways in which we can mitigate this climate change is by planting trees, simply. So this was the focal point of the Climate Action Project.
Nice.
And that is why we were selected. Our school was selected.
What are you holding right there? We need to see it.
Okay, so I'm holding up our certificate, which was sent to us by Take Action Global, as you can see. That is the name of the organization. And then we have the signatories of the co-founders, Cohen Timers and Jennifer Williams. And then this Climate Action Project is also in partnership with Cartoon Network. So that is why we have the head of kids from Cartoon Network. So this is the Climate Action Project School of Excellence Award that was awarded to
Collège Adventiste de Yaoundé.
Exactly.
So what's next after this award?
Well, we continue to carry out the solutions which we proposed, and we are more involved in other things which can help to fight against climate change. For example, in the Environmental Club, we are involved in recycling papers to form economical coal, which can be used for cooking rather than using the coal that we know, the charcoal that we know.
Yes.
And secondly, we are also involved in recycling bottles, plastic bottles, to form brooms.
Sincerely, I just want to say congratulations to the school and to you being the madam in charge of the Environmental Club, because it's important to teach these children the importance of preserving the environment at such a young age. Thank you again.
Thank